Hello everyone, welcome to the practice quiz paper solution. So this is our question number 2. We will discuss question number 2 now. Equivalent exponential and logarithmic expression. We have to find out equivalent. This one's equivalent is which one here? We have to find out that. So first question is, which of the following expression is equivalent to log x square equal to 5? Now, as you know from our formula, we actually know that these things, uh, uh, if we have some power here, log x square equal to 5. What is the base of this log? Base is 10 here, right? Base is 10 because base is not given. If the base is not given, then base is 10. Then base is 10. So we know that the base is 10 here. So from the and there is a formula which says if we have log, there is a formula like if we have something like log a base m to the power r, you know that this r actually comes this side here. Okay, r power comes this side here. So which means this 2 power 2 will come here. So it will be 2 log, because this is power, so it will be 2 log x equal to 5. So it will be 2 log x equal to 5, which is correct here. So this will be the 2 log 2 log uh, 2 log x equal to 5, because the power will come in the front. This is the property of logarithm, behavior of the logarithm. Others are not possible because you cannot all of a sudden change the base. We cannot send the base there because we did not change the log. Log is still there, so all of a sudden we cannot mix up with that. We cannot mix up with that um, base. These all are just like randomly changed number. There is no logarithmic rules, formulas that satisfy this. Do you understand? We cannot all of a sudden change this number to this number put there, this number put there. This is not how mathematics works. All of a sudden we cannot do that. We have to follow some formula. We have to follow some rules of the exponents. Rules is this in this case, so you have to follow this. Just this number can come here, or we can just use the logarithm to exponent change mechanism formula for the change, but we cannot all of a sudden change the numbers this way. So this is the clear all my drawing. Okay, this is the answer for the first one. Then do I have to do this? Okay, yeah. So next one is, which of the following expression is equivalent to e to the power 8 equal to x? So which of e to the power 8 equal to x? Which of the following is they're similar? Let me take some editing mechanism. So you see, what can we do here is we can multiply both side by ln e to the power 8 equal to. We can multiply both side by ln. So if we multiply both side by ln, what we have here, ln. How do we know that we have to multiply both sides by ln? Because you see there is a ln here, log here, so we need to give a try. So e to the power 8. Now both sides we are multiplying by ln x. And if there is something power, just as I discussed in the previous math, if something is power will come to this side, 8 will come here, and this is ln and e. As you know, ln and e actually gets cancelled out. Ln and e gets cancelled out, which ln e equal to 1. Okay, ln e means 1. Ln e means 1. So, okay, let me write it here for you. Ln e, and this side is ln x. Ln e, this means 1. This means 1. Why this means 1? The reason is this. This. Ln e means log e base. Ln means log e base. Okay, ln means log e base. Then there is another e here. So we said same thing base, same thing equal to what? 1. This is the formula why it is 1. Then we have 8 equal to ln x. 8 equal to ln x. So this is ln x equal to 8. That means first one is correct. Okay, first one is correct. First one is correct. And other thing is ln 8 equal to x. As you can see, actually mathematics is following this order, these rules, which is why we get this thing. In other way, we can actually try to solve this maths in another way, which is conversion, which is more intuitive, I think. Suppose if you do the conversion, this if we convert it, then what will happen? This will be log in one line, that will be solved. Log. So base will remain base, as you know. Base will remain base. So it will come what? It will come base will remain base. So base is e will remain here, and x will come here, and this will be equals to 8 conversion. This power goes to the other side, base remains the base, this value will come to this place. And log e means ln. So this thing here, it means ln. So ln, then we have the x, ln x equals to 8. So see, we get this. Without solving the math this way, actually we can solve the math this way also. Without multiplying by this, we can just convert it. By converting, we can actually get this. Next one. So this is the opposite conversion. This conversion is the opposite conversion. Opposite conversion means, like in the previous math, we converted the exponential to logarithm. Then this one is logarithm to exponential. So what will happen? What is the base here? As you know, if the base in some math is not given, then base is what? Then base is 10. Then base is 10. So there is a 10 base here. 10 base here. Automatically there is base 10. So how we will convert it? Our conversion will be the base. As you know, the base remains the base. First of all, we can write this side also. We can write x square equals to we can write x square equal to base remains the base. Base remains the base. Then 10. Then to the power what? 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7. So see, this is the 10 to the power 7 equal to x square. This is the conversion. And this is the conversion. This math is directly coming for the conversion formula. Conversion formula from logarithm to exponent, or exponent to logarithm. Now you can say, sir, can I write 10 to the power 7 equals to x square in the first line? Yeah, you can write. Okay, suppose if you write 10 to the power 7, first if you write 10 to the power 7 equal to x square, which is also fine. No problem. Any side you can write first. No problem. Then, which of the following expression is equivalent to e to the power x? E square, e to the power 4 equal to x. This math is more easier actually, because you see what happened here is this is 4, right? So this 4 we can break down to e square whole square. What we have done is, this 4 means 2 into 2. That's it, nothing else. No other work is here. Okay, so just 2 into 2. This 4 means 2 into 2. Nothing else is done here. All right. So this is the change that we have to make here. And you can say, sir, then why others are wrong? Because you see, in other maths, all of a sudden all the numbers are interchanged without following any rules. Okay, like you can say, sir, what about this one? What about that one? What about this one? See, all of a sudden x square whole square equal to e, which is not possible according to any mathematical rules, exponent rules, or no rules gives us the freedom of changing the number, right? Suppose all of a sudden from this side to that side number do not go. They have to follow some rules. They have to maintain some mathematical similarity, symmetry. Uh, just in brief, they must follow some mathematical rules or formulas or something of that kind. Or else it is not true. This is not true. Okay, all of a sudden we cannot just all of a sudden we cannot change these numbers from here to there. This is not possible. So this is the other reason. Like this, in the other options, we just played with this some number. Okay, put this number here, put this number here. If the student knows these are impossible, these are not possible, we cannot all of a sudden do this. So this is the correct one, correct explanations for this maths. All right. So this is the two number, all these maths, 1 2 3 4 from the two number. All right. So I have to do this first, then I can